A Fetch Rewards new user bonus only applies when you meet the promotion's eligibility requirements, so creating an account alone doesn't guarantee you'll receive it. By the end of this, you'll know how new user bonuses typically work, how to avoid missing the requirements, and what to do if your bonus doesn't appear. The first step is to check whether there's an active new user promotion. Open the app or review the current promotion details before creating your account. Bonus offers can change over time, and eligibility requirements may be different from one promotion to the next. If the promotion requires a referral code, enter it during the account setup process if the app provides that option. Many promotions only accept referral information while the account is being created, so waiting until later may not work. After your account is ready, complete any required actions listed in the promotion. Depending on the offer, that could include submitting your first eligible receipt or meeting other qualifying conditions. Follow the promotion exactly instead of assuming every new account qualifies automatically. When you scan your first receipt, make sure it's complete and easy to read. The store name, purchase date, purchased items, and total should all be visible. A blurry or incomplete receipt can create processing issues that may delay rewards or require additional review. Once your receipt has been processed, check your account activity to see whether the bonus has been applied. Keep in mind that promotional rewards and regular receipt rewards may appear separately, so review both sections before assuming something is missing. If you believe you qualified but didn't receive the bonus, gather your information before contacting support. Include the email address connected to your account, details about the promotion you joined, the date you created the account, and screenshots that help explain the issue. Providing complete information gives support a better chance to review your eligibility quickly. Avoid creating another account to try claiming the same promotion again. Multiple accounts can create account review issues and may make resolving the original problem more difficult. The safest approach is keeping one account and working directly with support if something doesn't look right. To sum it up, check for an active promotion before signing up, enter any required referral information during registration, complete every qualifying step, and contact support if an eligible bonus doesn't appear. Next, read the full promotion requirements before creating your account, instead of relying on social media posts or outdated videos describing older offers. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe for more Fetch Rewards tips, and check out our other videos covering receipt scanning, missing rewards, and account troubleshooting.